How to make money from a TikTok affiliate shop. In today's digital age, social media platforms like TikTok have become more than just platforms for entertainment. They've evolved into lucrative avenues for earning money, with affiliate marketing emerging as a popular method for generating income. So, if you're wondering, how do I earn money from a TikTok affiliate shop? You've come to the right place. Understanding TikTok affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. TikTok, with its massive user base and engaged audience, presents a golden opportunity for affiliate marketers to showcase products and drive sales. Setting up your TikTok affiliate shop. Choose your niche before diving in. Identify a niche that aligns with your interests and resonates with your audience. Whether it's fashion, beauty, technology, or fitness, selecting the right niche is crucial for success. Sign up with affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, sign up with affiliate programs relevant to your chosen category. Programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a vast array of products to promote. Create compelling content. The key to success on TikTok lies in creating engaging and authentic content. Whether it's product reviews, tutorials, or entertaining skits, make sure your content adds value and resonates with your audience. Include call to action CTAs. Encourage your viewers to take action by including clear CTAs in your videos. Whether it's asking them to click the link in your bio or use a specific discount code, CTAs can significantly boost conversions. Leverage TikTok's features. Take advantage of TikTok's features like hashtags, sounds, and filters to increase the discoverability of your content. Engage with trending topics and challenges to expand your reach and attract new followers. Monetizing your TikTok affiliate shop. Once you've set up your TikTok affiliate shop and started creating content, it's time to focus on monetization strategies to maximize your earnings. Related keywords: TikTok affiliate marketing, TikTok affiliate programs, how to make money with TikTok, TikTok affiliate links, affiliate marketing on TikTok, internal links. TikTok affiliate programs. Learn more about the top affiliate programs compatible with TikTok. TikTok affiliate marketing. Dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing on TikTok. Leveraging influencer collaborations. Collaborating with other TikTok influencers or brands can open up new opportunities for monetization. Whether it's through sponsored content or joint affiliate promotions, influencer collaborations can help you reach a wider audience and increase your earning potential. Optimizing your affiliate links. Regularly monitor your affiliate links' performance and optimize them for better results. Experiment with different strategies such as A or B testing, tracking analytics, and refining your